Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's session, we are going to learn about multi-line command. So, what is this multi-line command? The name itself is indicating that multi-line. Multi means many lines. More than one line we are going to create in your AutoCAD with the help of this command. So, it is a draw toolbar command. If you want to find where it is, then go in the menu bar. You just tap on your draw. So when you click on your draw, so here you are going to find your multi-line. Or else if you want to use a shortcut key, you can type ML or M line. Okay, so under this you are going to get the four different forms are there. We need to understand what are those things, how we are going to plot that, and where we are using this multi-line command as a engineering as a civil engineering. So I will show you. So under this you are going to get the four forms. Which are those four forms means one is your top, one is your zero, one is your bottom, one is your scale. So we'll go with one by one. So first, whenever we are going to talk with respect to multi-line means, for example, I was considering as a now two lines. It is forming a two lines at a time. Okay, so when I was plotting a two lines, so when I take this multi-line command ML and I will hit enter, when I will hit enter, what it is going to do, it will start plotting the two lines. I don't know which line. If I was clicking over here, for example, if I was clicking here, whether it is moving in the forward direction, which one, I don't know. Whenever I was going to click randomly over here, I don't know which one will be the top one or which one will be the bottom or which one will be in the mid. So I don't know. So to overcome those confusion, what they have done, they have given the three different forms. So that is your top, zero and bottom. So if you are considering this as my reference line, I was considering this as my reference line indicating OO. Okay, so when I will draw a multi-line, as I told you, multi-line, right now you just assume that by default in AutoCAD you are going to get the two lines at a time. Okay, so because of that reason I have taken this one. So consider this as your reference line OO. Why I was taking this OO as a reference line with the help of this brown color? Because when I was taking this multi-line, which one will be the top line or which one will be the bottom line, to identify, for that reason I have considered this your reference line. Now what I will do, I will go with your black now. This black line is nothing but your multi-line command. With the help of multi-line, now I am creating these two lines. When I type ML and I will hit enter, it will start plotting. It will all ask me the out of these three forms, which one we were going to adopt. For example, if I was opting a top one, so if I was opting top one, what it will happen? This is my starting point, right? And this will be the ending point. When I click on the top one, what it is going to do, one line will be drawing or overlapping this existing line and the other line or parallel line which is following for this line, right? So it is going to happen. Top means what it will happen, the first line or whichever the line first it is going to plot, it will be exactly on the top line. The rest of the multi-line, for example here, if by default we are getting two lines, if we are getting more than two lines also, it will plot below this line only. So this is your top method. For example, similarly in the case of your bottom method, what it will happen, the bottom line, it will overlap on the existing line. The rest of the lines will be plotted on your top side, because this will be the bottom. The name itself indicating top means this will be the top and the rest of the multi-line will be plotted in the bottom. If we are considering bottom, this line will be the bottom and rest of the multi-line will be plotted in the upper side. What about the zero? Zero is nothing but, for example, if I was considering this as my reference line now, so I will change the color. So this is your OO, and here what it will happen, if I was considering this starting point as my zeroth point. Zeroth point means what it will happen, the line will plot, one is the one above this reference line, one below the reference line. Here you are going to get this type of lines in the case of your zeroth line, if you are plotting this as a reference line. For example, what could be the by default scale of the spacing between these two lines means 1 unit. Okay, 1 unit. So this is about your top, bottom and 0. What about this scale? This scale is nothing but whatever the by default scale is there, 1 unit. If you want to change that 1 unit, then you can do with the help of your scale form. I will show in the AutoCAD right now. You can check out here. What I will do, I'll type ML and I will hit enter. So in the command line, it is not showing me that 0th line or a top or a bottom. Any of the forms it is not showing. So from which method I should plot this multiline? So for that, what I need to do, I need to go with the justification. So J enter. When I type J enter, I will get these 3 forms. Out of these 3 forms, any one form you can take. For example, if I was taking top, see here, when I was clicking over here, I don't know which one will be the top one or which one will be the bottom one. I was just moving now randomly. You can check out here which one will be the top and which one will be the bottom. I don't know. So if you want to check out what is the scale between these 2 lines, you can do that one also. Okay, I was going to check the dimension between or scale between these 2 lines. You can check out here 1 units. It will be the by default scale. So for example, here you can check out. For that reason, what I said you, I will take one reference line so that where it is moving you will get to know. As I told you, if I was considering this reference line, this is my, with the help of top method, if I was going this first line, it will overlap on your existing layer or existing line. The rest multi-line will be plotted in the bottom side. So this line, what I will do, I'll change just color. I'll take yellow. What I will do now, I will take multi-line command, justification. So here I will go with the top. See here, if I was considering this as my top layer, you can check out here. The top layer is overlapping on the yellow line and the bottom line is following for your first line, right? Parallel line. So what it is going to happen, as I said to you, in the top layer, what it is going to happen, top layer will be the fixed and the rest of the lines will be plotted below that line. Means first layer will be the top and remaining whatever the lines we are going to plot, those multi lines will be in the bottom side. You can check out here. Alright, so here one more is there with the help of 0th now, ML justification. So now I will take with 0. You can check out here, when I was considering this as 0th line, one line will be plotted above and other line will be plotted below. Right? So this is about your 0th line. The same way, if you want to plot with respect to the bottom line, so what I will do, I will go with bottom layer. So here, if I was considering this reference line as my bottom, the rest or a multi-line will be plotted in the upper side. You can check out here, it is plotting in the upper side. Right? This is about your multi-line command, and I will show you the spacing between you are getting is the spacing between these 2 lines will be 1 unit. If you want to increase this scale, what I can do is ML, then here you need to go with the scale. You need to type yes and you need to hit enter. Here you are getting the scale, you need to hit enter or space. So now it is asking me enter the M line scale. Now I will go with the 3 units. So now it is asking me, now what I need to do, you need to type justification and hit enter. See here, I will go with a 0 now, so that if I was considering this line as my 0th line, you can check out here my multi-line or whatever the lines I was taking over here. You can check out here what could be the dimension now. This will be the 3 units. What could be the dimension? This could be the 3 units. DLI and hit enter. This and this, you can check out here 3 units will be the dimension. So if you how we are going to use in the civil engineering terminology, so I will show you how you can go with respect to here by plotting this one as a one small rectangle I have taken over here, and what I have done is small rectangle I have taken and multi-line command I have taken. So here with the help of scale I will get back to the original scale, by default scale as a 1. So now I will go with justification and I will go with 0. You can check out here by center clicking, and I was just clicking over here. So now it has been created top view as a window. If you want to create this one what will call your door also. I have taken multiline command here. With the help of arc I have been drawn this one. This one also you can draw with the help of your multiline command. If you got any doubts, if you want to create more than 3 lines, 4 lines, or more than 2 lines, I will show you in the format. Under this format we are going to deal with respect to your multi-line style. Then I will teach you how we are going to draw more than 2 lines in AutoCAD with the help of your multi-line command. So if you got any queries or a doubt, you can ping me or ask me in the comment section, then definitely I will help you out. Thank you guys.